we have seen that the analytical sample preparation that we're doing when we're doing DNA analytics has a huge impact in what we actually see then in our process development. And today we want to show you why is this happening, what are the steps that you might be doing that lead to this mismatch, and how you can change it, and what will be the payoff.
We have compared two endonucleases. The yield increased when we're using MSAN. The chromatin you measure may not be the chromatin that you have to face during your downstream process. The analytics are not wrong. It's just that they might not fully reflect your process reality.
What you as a manufacturer of viral vectors might be missing out if your analytics are not accounting for what actually happens in these process conditions. These are observations that comes from publicly available data, and by using a nuclease that is better at removing chromatin, you can see improvements like 10 times better DNA clearance, 70% faster processing, 2 times higher yield, and 4 times lower nuclease usage.